I will show you how to make Caipirissima. Caipirissima is similar to Caipirinha, prepared with light rum instead of the usual cachaça. First, we have to use lime, fresh lime. Always when you make Caipirissima, Caipirinha, caipiroska, always use one small lime. To be a guide, you have to cut in 8 pieces. Like this. Remember, but very big, you can use half. But this one is small. Put this one. And 4 bar spoon of sugar. You can use also a brown sugar. Then muddle it. Now it's depend to you. You can use a 2 bar spoon, but for me I like 4 bar spoon of sugar. $60 ml of white rum. You have to stir press it into the ice. Supposed to be, this one is very good if you use the crushed ice. Okay, so this is your Caipirissima. So remember, if you use cachaça, it becomes caipirinha. If you use vodka, it becomes caipiroska. If you use light rum, it becomes Caipirissima. Enjoy your Caipirissima.